gonna do a fire alarm tour of the world of Disney. Right, Glasgow fire alarm, Gentex DOS. Apparently there's gonna be Gentex alarms here. Another Gentex ZOS. Actually, I think that's something else. It's probably a Z8S. I think it's a Z8S or SHG or something. Another Gentex SHG or ZOS or Z8S. I'm just gonna call it an SHG because that just resembles the most like it. Let's see, more alarms. Come on. Uh-oh, that wasn't me. Doing a fire alarm tour of a Disney store is very, very hard. Trust me, I am the only YouTuber in the world with the balls to do this. Yes. This is going to take me like forever to do this, so be patient with me. Gentex SHG, that's what I'm going to call it. SHG, even though I'm not completely right. I may or may not be right, so just play with me, guys. Another Gentex SHG. This is hard to do. I'm glad I have my camera with me. There's probably another one in the fitting room. Another Gentex SHG. Now he just made a loop. Now to go to another part. We're going to this way now. Oh, I ran into something. Didn't break anything. All right. There's not a lot of pole stations here. The Gentex SHG. Fire extinguisher setup. I wonder where the panel is, because this store has some of the weirdest designs I've ever seen. Let's see. Okay, it looks like we're gonna get into a new types of systems now. Oh, over there we have a Wheelock ZNS, which is kind of rare in Florida. I don't have a lot of buildings that have them. Another Wheelock ZNS and Safety Technology International's glass breaker. Okay, 2 minutes 37 seconds. We're making up some good time, despite how weird of a layout the store is. You're also going to get good footage of the store, so you might as well just call it store tour. But because this is intentionally a fire alarm tour, we're going to call it fire alarm tour of the world of Disney. Oh, on the other side we have another Wheelock ZNS. Oh, cool. We have another Wheelock ZNS over there. Fire extinguisher set up right here, an exit, and a glass breaker pole. I'm not going to say the whole word, it's just annoying. Now, alright, there's nothing major, but we got something coming up. A Gentex SHG. Here's something weird. The Wheelock ZNSs are over there, but except most of the Gentex SHGs and stuff. That's kind of weird. Alright, I think we're done. Because this building is like such a weird layout. Oh, wait a minute. Gotta go this way. Go to Plus Toys. You gotta make this. Come on, subscribers. Why do you have to make me walk all throughout this whole store just to do a fire alarm door? Seriously, this is Disney. I came here to have fun, not to work. But hey, in the end, I'm making good money. Alright, Plus Toys. Gentex SHG. Swear, there's so many people here. Why have they not called me out? Okay, now we're in the girly girl area. I want to make this fast. Wait a minute, what's this? The Gentex Commander 3. And apparently they got a good amount of alarms here. Now we're going into this area. Gentex SHG again. Let's see. Oh wow, this looks like we found the store exit. Great. Now we gotta find a way to get out of here. Well, thanks for enjoying my fire alarm tour of the Disney, World of Disney. Okay, yeah. Bye.